I thought I'd very briefly take you through the bag design and what it means. So as you can see, the bag shows two raised fists, and this is famously the gesture that Tommie Smith used in the US Olympics to protest against the lynching of African American people. And this gesture became part of the Black Power movement. And I thought this was a really nice image to use, as it really shows people standing up for what they believe in. And the clip of Tommie raising his fist is used in our YouTube video, along with the American NFL player who knelt down during the US national anthem in order to protest the treatment of minorities. And I felt that this was important to include in the video, as it shows people protesting for inclusivity and being integral and using the platform that they have to stand up for others. It shows how professionals, NFL players, Olympians, policemen, so our video includes all people of all different professionals standing up for something that they believe in and showing their integrity through peaceful protests. On our Instagram, you will see Dan showcasing the bag in different settings. This is to show that our target audience are students and that they can show off their values in at university and in their everyday lives. We took a different approach with Twitter, so we interacted with brands a lot more. So with the Trello post, you can see that we've tagged in a few different brands, and in most of our posts, we always tag in the university or our tutors. Our Twitter strategy is more business focused, unlike our Instagram, which is more customer focused. And I think this helps us to gain, to reach different people and sort of expand our target market just a little bit more, just so that we have more exposure.